Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. Also, make sure you turn off the water supply to the washer. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the suspension spring holder in an LG washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips and a flathead screwdrivers, a rope, and some lubricant. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new suspension spring holder. The two plastic suspension spring holders are mounted at the top of the cabinet and serves as the bearings for the suspension springs. If you start hearing a metal scratching sound when the basket is turning, coming from the top of the washer, the suspension spring holders should be checked and replace it if needed. We need to remove the top panel in order to get it apart. Using the Phillips screwdriver, take out two lower screws from the rear brackets, slide back and remove the top panel. Using the flathead screwdriver, open the spring holder. Slide the rope under the spring and using both hands and some stamina, pull the spring up and out of the holder. Using the flathead screwdriver, pry the old holder out of the cabinet. This is the old suspension spring holder next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Insert the new spring holder into the cutout and push it down to lock. Lubricate the holder. Slide the rope on the hook. Pull up and install the spring into the spring holder. Remove the rope. Lock the suspension spring holder. Install the top panel. Place it on the cabinet just about 1.5 inches away from the front. Slide it forward to lock the tabs. Secure the top panel with the two Phillips screws at the back. Turn the water on. Plug the washer back in and make sure there's no leaks. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.